Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's another DIY video today. We'll be making this black seed oil. It's a natural hair treatment which is good for both the hair and the skin. Black seed oil is rich in essential fatty acid which can help to nourish and strengthen hair follicles, promoting healthy hair growth. So these are the two ingredients I'll be needing for my black seed oil. I would be needing the black seed itself and coconut oil. This is 100% pure coconut oil. So in my blender, I'm going to scoop in 2.5 tablespoons of the black seed. The measurement is going to be in the description box. Please check out the description box for the measurement of everything I'm going to be using today for this black seed oil. So once I'm done scooping it into my blender, I'm going to blend this roughly. You want to blend this roughly. It mustn't be smooth, just blend it roughly. I'm going to be showing you what it's going to look like once I'm done blending it. So this is what the black seed should look like when you are done blending. Like I said, it mustn't be thoroughly smooth. So this is what the black seed should look like once you are done blending. It mustn't be smooth. This consistency is just perfect for this black seed oil we are about to make. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go in with my coconut oil. Just the way I'm doing right now. I'm going to be leaving the measurements in the description box. Please make sure to check the description box for the right measurement I used for this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I get a spoon and give this a very good mix. You want to mix this together because the black seed is going to be down while the oil is up. So you want to mix this together very well. So once you're done mixing, the next thing you're going to do is to turn this into a jar or a container. It mustn't be a jar. Any container you have that has a cover is perfectly fine. So it mustn't be a glass jar. Even if it's a plastic jar, any container you have is fine. Just make sure to get a container that has a cover because you'll be covering this up. It's very important to get a container that has a cover. So I'm going to cover this up and set this aside for about 12 hours. So this was 12 hours later, but make sure that in between you come in and stir this up because like I said, the black seed is going to be down while the oil is up, just the way it is right now. So make sure to stir this up in between. So once I'm done with this, the next thing I'm going to do is to strain this. So this is the last step. Please make sure to try this oil. You can read about this oil. This oil is very good. This has improved my hair so well. Like it has really improved my hair. My hair volume is so amazing. So make sure to try this oil. This oil is very good and it's 100% natural and organic. Make sure to try it. So once I'm done, this is good for both the hair and the skin. It gets rid of dandruff, it gets rid of eczema, and it keeps your hair really moisturized. Please try this oil and thank me later. So this is the last step. And the next thing I'm going to do is to stir this again. You want to stir it after straining. You want to stir it up. So this is what your oil should look like after you're done straining it. Guys, this oil smells so good. The smell is so good, and it's 100% organic, 100% natural. So after this, I'm going to use a funnel and turn this into a container. You guys, can you see the oil? Our black seed oil is ready. As simple as ABC. Our black seed oil is ready. So that's it. I made sure to use a funnel so I don't spill the oil everywhere. So make sure to always use a funnel. And yes, we have our black seed oil. This natural hair treatment is a must try. Like I said, it's good for the hair, it's also good for the skin. It has a lot of health benefits. You can read about it. It has a whole lot of health benefits. Please make sure to try this hair oil and add it to your hair routine. Guys, check out my hair. You can see the volume of my hair. My hair has increased so much. The hair looks so healthy. The volume is amazing. For those who have been here on my channel for long, you can testify that my hair has improved so much. You guys, look at my hair. Like, we are approaching waist length. Thanks for watching, guys.